What's going on, guys? We are here on day 17 for this 31-day video challenge here in the month of July, and we got Muskegon bike time here this weekend, and my bike is filthy. So on this episode, I'm gonna wash my bike, and I'm gonna tell you guys why I started this YouTube channel, where I've been, and all of the awesome people that I've met on this journey. But I'm gonna go ahead and get into it. I'm starting this wash off a little late. I don't want to be out here all night doing this, so let's go. People probably wonder why I started this channel, and honestly, it wasn't because I thought I'd become a big creator or anything like that. It started pretty simple. I already had cameras sitting around collecting dust, and one day I thought, why not actually use them for something? I've seen so many videos online of people riding to really cool places, and just knew that's what I wanted to do. I wanted a way to capture them, not just for myself, but to share them with anyone who enjoys motorcycles, or even someone who's never thrown a leg over one. Motorcycling has become one of the biggest passions in my life. It's so much more than transportation. It's given me adventure, challenged me, taught me patience, and reminded me to slow down and appreciate what's around me. Getting on my bike has honestly changed the way I look at life. When you're riding, you can't be distracted by everything else going on. You're present. You notice the small towns, the back roads, the sunsets, the conversations at gas stations, and all the little moments that we normally rush past. That's what I want this channel to be about. Sure, there will possibly be some motorcycle reviews. I want to feel the difference between a couple other bikes that I would like to eventually get. Rides, maintenance, and trips. But more than that, I want this channel to be about the experiences that motorcycles make possible. The memories, the friendships, the place that become unforgettable because you got there on two wheels. If something I film inspires one person to take that trip they've been putting off, spend more time riding with family or friends, or even get into riding themselves, then this channel has already been worth it. So that's really why I started YouTube. I had the equipment, I had the passion, and I wanted to share something that's had such a positive impact on my life. I will never sell this bike simply because of everywhere I've been on this thing. My wife thinks eventually I will sell it, just like I do with everything else, but that isn't the case. I've created so many memories on this bike that I just couldn't ever do it. I hope that I can keep it around long enough for one of the kids to take over on, if that's something they have the desire to do. I know there will be a lot of maintenance to be had to keep it around that long, and honestly, I think it will all be worth it. Both my older girls have now been on this with me, and in a few more years, so will my son. That's if I don't have another bike by then. I've been to 13 states, including Indiana, Ohio, Kentucky, Tennessee, North Carolina, Virginia, West Virginia, Wisconsin, Illinois, Iowa, South Dakota, Wyoming, and Nebraska, and only hoping to go to more places on my motorcycle endeavors. I've met some very awesome people because of motorcycles and the passion that we all have to get on these things. We will once again reunite over Labor Day weekend for another epic ride across the great state of Wyoming. Well, guys, I hope you guys enjoy my little backstory on why I do this. You know, I wouldn't trade this for anything in the world. It's my passion. The bike looks really good. I'm happy with it. But I'm gonna get everything cleaned up and then get the bike put up. You know, so if you're new, make sure you guys go hit that like and subscribe button. It would really help me out. If you're returning, thanks for tuning back in. You know, I appreciate it. But I'm gonna put the bike away for the night, and then we're gonna go out to bike time, my wife and I, tomorrow, and we're gonna walk around, check out some pretty cool bikes, eat some pretty good food, and just enjoy ourselves and have a nice relaxing evening. So I'll catch you guys on tomorrow's episode. Peace.